So. Finally live here again. As always, just a couple of things I need to get done before we can jump right into it here. By the way, like also finally the homepage is coming along, so that's nice. So yeah, like that. I like that. We like that. We like that we're now finally kinda, yeah, finally getting the homepage going here. Just real quick, I'm gonna be showing posting this in another Discord here. Yeah. Okay, so we're good here, in my opinion. So, I'm gonna be I actually like this. Okay. So, okay. We have 14 minutes till the open. So, look at the homepage. The homepage is, it's getting there. Like, it's getting there, like slowly but surely. We're making some progress here with our homepage. Anyways, yeah, that's just some coding. So, now we're at the trading part. So. Yeah, basically, so so I have my times and sales here. I need to like somehow make myself even smaller. I don't really know where I want to put myself here on the stream. Like, I might just put myself here. I might reset up my screen things here. Like, I don't know, like maybe around here or something. I kind of want to show face, because I think it makes it more personal. But I also don't want this. I kind of don't need this 5 minutes more. Like, I want to make some small adjustments basically to my setup and because I want to see more of more data on the auction vista. So I'm gonna move this here now. I kind of wanna have my DOM here more to the left, because messes here with her. But like, I kind of wanna a broader look at the auction vista here, a little further back, because I do keep on missing sometimes some real key it's usually not a big deal or problem, because like most of the time. Gosh, stress. So, and then put this here. Here. It's like such a pain setting this up, but it's just the way I need it, to be honest. So now you guys don't see my pin. Ah, Jesus. Oh man, but I kind of want you guys to see the account balance. Don't really know what I should do here. I want you guys to see the full account balance, but I kind of like want my auction list a little bit bigger here, like over my entire screen basically. I want it further back, so I might just leave it like that for now. Might make some adjustments. But basically, I want just more auction vista. So that's basically why I'm doing this. And I want you guys to see my P&L. Now we're printing a big fat red candle here on the 4000 tick chart. So also we have big sellers here. Kind of looking like we're rejecting the 45s here. No, I don't see this here. Making changes to your setup is so annoying. More big sellers coming in here. Yeah, now obviously you don't see my P&L again. Anyways. I mean, it's just like I don't know where to put it, honestly. Like I might, but here it also messes me up. I don't know where I should put it. Like I really don't. If anyone has an idea, like I want to show you my P&L, but I don't really want to put it on my screen. I don't have space. What I can do, because I have an idea now, because I'm only trading this account today anyways. So I just don't know. Fuck's sake. I might just leave it like that for now. Whatever. Like more big sellers coming in with printing a big red candle here. Like right before the open. Might want to take out the overnight here. 32. Like a candle like this, like prior to the open. It's a big one. Like we have another small bell curve here, kinda. So we're kinda at a low note here. But I wouldn't really want to go long here into this selling. So at this point I do think this is going lower. Well, so kinda broke this channel here. So maybe the pivot below 38.50. Does it make sense? Like maybe around here, potentially a liquidity grab. Yeah, would make kind of sense. We're still tanking here, obviously. So now let's see, like 38.50, like here potential long if I do see some bigger buyers here. We're not pivoting off of it really. Would need some bigger buyers here though, in order to confirm an entry here for me. Kinda wanna see bigger buyers. No bigger buyers yet, but we're hanging around the low. And 39.50 is like now 5/0 here. Getting interesting here. Now a bigger buyer comes in, taking this. We do see it struggle here. Now a 127 lot print. Don't like the way we rejected off of here. Still gonna stay in this now. Big buying coming in here. Now at this point I kind of want to see follow through here. I don't really want to see this reject here.
Order submitted.
Trying to get out here.
Order canceled.
Out for a tick here. Yeah. Out just for a tick here. Like maybe could have, should have, whatever. Like could have, should have held it here. Don't know. Well, we just didn't see any follow through. Was a good setup though. Was a good trade. In my opinion. Now more big buying. Now we're kind of falling back in. That was what I was scared of. Like this just, we had no follow through really. Like now we bottom tick by 4/0 here. Now we see like more sellers come in. So this is not a bottom yet. Where's the next pivot we could look at? Like maybe this one. 36. 36 is here really. Like now we do find a bit here though. Like still see a lot of aggressive selling, but we're kind of finding a bit here. It's interesting. But the buyer's kind of giving up, so we're just in free fall here. Still free fall. I'm probably looking now at a break of 36s. Break and liquidity grab off of 36 is what I'm looking at. Let's see, we're kind of hanging here. Ooh, like that, this was a strong pivot here. Completely rejected. Now we did grab the liquidity below 36s here. Do we have
Order submitted.
getting long here?
Order submitted.
Jesus, fuck's sake.
Order cancel. Order cancelled.
1 second too late. Like I spotted it, but I was one microsecond too late here on the entry, really. Jesus. Might re-enter here.
Order submitted.
Re-entering here.
Order filled.
Oh, Jesus. I think this was like a full-on. Yeah, this was a full-on stop out here. I shouldn't probably have entered just 1 minute before the open here. Anyways, did look like a good setup. We're just tanking here. So we did take out now the 30s, here 32s. Let's see if we have follow through here. We did just take out the overnight.
Order submitted.
I'm lagging here.
Order filled.
Nice one. This is probably going higher here. So this is like the setup I love to talk about here, the overnight liquidity grab into a full-on reversal. Like lots of big buying coming in now. Where we can re-enter, like maybe here. Trying to get a fill here and then just the top of this. Don't know if we're gonna get it here. 2/0. 4/0. It's breaking higher here. Now it double topped here. We did add a couple bottom ticks here, which should this blowing out. So we theoretically took out the high here, okay, so that's kind of scary. We didn't pivot it, but hard, so it's still good for an up move. This is perfect. This is the setup like I have on my playbook, like the overnight low liquidity grab into a full-on reversal. But obviously, like I didn't take it, I didn't play it. Kind of mad at myself here, but yeah, what can you do? So now at the 40s, we're kind of struggling here. Thank you, Mohammed. I don't want to fade this here. Like those setups can run really fast. I do have this in my playbook setup, obviously. Like I took it kind of wrong, but didn't execute it perfectly. But this is the the overnight liquidity grab into a full-on reversal. Okay, like dangerous to fade this short here. Really, like this can just go. I've seen those go like all day, or at least high. So kind of difficult for me to get a long entry here as well, because we're kind of overextended now. Also, if we look on the 4,000 tick chart, I mean, this is just ripping higher here. They just took this liquidity and run it higher. So in general now very kind of bullish for the day, but let's see. I kind of want to get into a pullback. Don't know why, we're at the point of control now. Just fell through it. That's interesting. So we didn't pivot the point of control here. We just kind of fell through. Now we're finding buyers here. We have this low note here that we are kind of respecting this bell curve. Now we're finding buyers again. So big buyers are coming back into the market now. Yeah, but we're not really pushing through this. So kinda we have two bell curves here. Okay, we have two here, but kinda maybe like kinda one as well. Okay, we did, but it's not a real pivot here. Like we just held at point of control. We didn't like bounce it. So I don't like this so much for a long here. Like I would have liked this for a long here if we kind of pivoted hard off of the point of control, but just hanging there and just stalling there, like it's not the best sign for me. So I don't trust this move higher so much anymore right now. Obviously don't want to short it either, like I mentioned already. Like these things, when they take out the overnight low on the open and just rip after, like this very often turn into trend days and just never see the bottom again. So at this point I'm not really looking to short it, but I'm also not really willing to long it either. So just staying patient on the side and waiting really for the market to show me something here. Now we're kind of like picking up bigger sellers. I'm willing to short this now.
Order submitted.
I want my stop like above this here. Don't need to risk a full stop out here on this. Let's see, for the management of this trade, I'm out in case we do find strong big buyers. I'm kind of out then. So now we are starting to find a bid. I'm still okay for now. Now I'm kind of not so okay anymore here. Like we do have big sellers here hitting, but they're struggling to get the price down. Like the bid is really stepping up here. Thinking about pulling it.
Order submitted.
Trying to pulling it here. For a small loss. The bid is just too strong at this point. No. Might re-enter though. Let's see. 1/0 here, re-entering here.
Order submit, order canceled.
Oh. Massive selling here, but the bid is just so strong. Let's see if they can break point of control here. Giving them like one attempt here to really break this.
Order filled.
Out here for a small win. Maybe could have held this to target really. Could have held this. So the reason I entered back there was this 1/0. Now we see point of control drop lower as well, which is another sign for a short like this. Gotta be more patient here. Now we're finding big buyers again. Might want to retest a new point of control here and the slow node here.
Order submitted.
Trying to enter short here at 38.50s in case we do pull back to it. We're not probably not pulling back to it.
Order canceled.
Shit. Now we kind of grab liquidity here. Finding some big buyers as well. Going long here. Back to I'm targeting point of control here. It's a little overshoot of point of control here. No, obviously, like.
Order submitted.
Now we get this move to back of point of control. We did just grab the liquidity here, and I was one of those liquidity providers with a stupid stop, but it's fine, I guess. Now we're grabbing.
Order canceled.
This was my intention. Also the intention of this play was the pullback to point of control, well, just slightly below, with an overshoot or above it. But they grabbed this liquidity here, and I unfortunately was one of those liquidity providers down there. And it's cool. All good here. Probably gonna get this overshoot here. Kind of struggling here, but I do think we wanna get towards point of control again. This was a hard pivot here.
Order submitted. Order.
Getting
order
long
submitted.
here. Let's see, like this 38.75 CS. Let's see now. Now we're at point of control here. Don't know, might get out here if we can't break it. This is a good hard pivot here. I like that. Moving my take profit here. It's possibly overshoots it. Now I'm kinda not liking it anymore. Like this is... It's struggling. But it's also not rejecting it. Now we do get this overshoot here.
Order submitted.
Shit.
Order canceled.
I shouldn't have moved my take profit. I was looking for this overshoot into the 40s and I got a little bit greedy there. Now I got out. That's like a bad price. So this was kind of bad execution here from my part. By the way, we rejected it here. Like tells me this doesn't want to go higher really. Like we kind of rejected the 40s here. We fell straight through point of control. So this could have just turned around here on me. Still mostly big buying, but they're struggling now. I do not really think, like, I mean, we're kind of building this range here, but so we do have this bell curve here, but we top ticked it here, so it kind of needs to bottom tick now. We're really struggling in the 39s here. It looks very much like a short to me. I don't really want to short the point of control, to be honest. They could just try. They're trying. Oh, they're trying to break out here. I did get one bit top ticked it again here. I do find a bit here. Strong buying coming in now. At the highs. So this breakout looks real to me.
Order submitted.
Could come back to point of control here. Would love to add here, but I'm not adding to losers today. Would love to add though here, like. This looks decent. It still looks strong here. Now the volume is picking up even more at the highs, so this should theoretically break, in my opinion. Now I'm lagging. Obviously, I'm lagging here. Hello. Oh, Jesus. No. Oh. I'm one tick away of a stop out. I like how the buyers come in here. Just boah. Like I said, I would love to add here around point of control, but I'm not adding to losing trades, like, just as a rule of it. Now I don't like this. I'm gonna, no, the big buyers are stepping in here. I'm just like, let's see. This can really go, like, we're building lots of volume here, okay, like, the breakout of this zone will be massive, okay. We do build lots of volume. The problem is my entry is so bad, it's at the highs. Like, it would be much better to enter around here because I'm probably gonna, this probably gets top run and just takes me out for a tick or two and then it goes. Like, because we have this swing here, like, this is gonna probably, I'm not moving my stop because it's just one of my rules. Okay, I'm not adding to a loser either. But it's very likely here that we grab the liquidity and then go, okay, like, at this point, I think. Yeah, now we're doing it probably. I'm okay with re-entering if it stops me out. Okay, it stops me out now. Probably to the tick and now we're going. Yeah. At least it looks like it here. Hovering around point of control here. I'm looking for a stop run lower here and then a long entry. Was this it? Now we do see bigger buyers step in, so this might be it. More bigger buyers, but they are still getting absorbed by the offer, so the offer is too strong for me to enter yet. But we did see the bigger buyers interested here. The bid is taking it well here as well.
Order submitted.
Longing this here.
Order submitted.
There might be another flush in it, but not sure. Once again, like that's the flush now that I was mentioning.
Order filled.
Ah, Jesus. Trading poorly. Approaching the lows again. That's usually what I like to see here.
Order submitted.
I want to enter on the pullback though, because I need a good entry.
Order
So
submitted.
that's fine here. Where can we take it? To here, realistically, 39s. First stop is 35 here. Let's see how we do at 35s here. Strong selling here. The selling's been taken by the buyers. This trade still looks good. Like we completely rejected this volume area here. So this looks really like it's on now. Maybe willing to add here somewhere. For 1/0. Selling pressure is here, but the bid is strong, so I'm fine with this trade for now. Kinda would love to add somewhere here, but Now I don't like how we pick up volume here and speed into the low. Might need to get out here. Kind of struggling for the freeze. Yeah. This was
Order failed.
I'm not pulling my trades today. What I'm doing? I'm just not pulling my losers. I just get stopped out for full size every time today. Bad, honestly, just bad performance here. We are below the I need to push this low. Jesus. This was kinda liquidation low now. Now we do see the bias come. This was a V bottom now. No, this is, I mean, like, I don't know.
Order submitted.
Kinda need to take it.
Order submitted.
So let's see how this plays out here. It's the kind of thing, if you play like bottoms and right side of the V's on this trade with the liquidity grabs. Price is struggling here. Might add 172 lots here. 1/0. Adding here.
Submitted.
Still okay with this trade. The 30-50s here is this low note that shouldn't be broken. Really. So the ad was kinda at a bad price here. Should have been more patient on my ad. But I do think it's still fine. Like, this trade is still fine. I still have positive EV on it. Also, the way this pivots is amazing. I really like this. Still liking it. Not moving my stops today, but still liking the trade.
Order filled.
I really don't know like why I'm not pulling. Like I didn't pull a single loser today. Like just awful performance here. It's also like I'm not taking it so serious because it's just the evaluation account. And I still showed obviously. They probably stop run this here in the bottom. They're gonna stop run slow here. I'm too static today on my take profit and then that's on literally everything like. Uh, 29.0. They're gonna stop run this slow here. So why I'm still in this trade, man? I do see the bid step up here. Oh, this is looking good, finally. Today is awful till now, but whatever, so. I do like this trade again, but I'm not allowed to add while I'm in the red. respect my stop. So that's kind of like what, honestly, I think screws me today. Now I'm allowed to add again, but it's not somewhere I would want to add really. So they're either gonna stop around this low, or we break point of control now and go higher. Now we did break through here the point of control of this bulk of. Now we're going higher. Yes, now I would love to add here, honestly, but where could we add? We could have landed on this low note here. Hoping to get a fill here, like on this low note. Still hoping to get my fill here. Probably won't. The bid is stepping up huge here. Putting the ad one tick higher here.
Order submitted.
Okay. So we did get the fill here on the ad. Now let's see. Can we break this low note here at 45s? I do have a low note here. Then we have another low note here. Moving it just below this here. Because if this breaks, now they want to stop from this. Probably.
Order fell.
Jesus. Oh my god. Like the adding game is really not.
Order submitted.
Getting out here.
Order cancelled.
Oh,
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Okay, I'm calling it for the day. Like, oh, what a session. happy this is on just Eval. Like I don't really care, but the adding is just not working for me. Like it's working so good when I'm doing it on Sim, adding to Windows, but it's just really not working here. Like I'm just screwing myself basically. So yeah, that's it for me today. Like this is awful. This is just awful. Gonna switch to Sim here. Like this is just an Eval, so I don't really care. But yeah, I wanted to perform well today, and I really like didn't. Like not at all. So that's that. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow in the Discord or whatever. Like, kind of mad at myself. Maybe like later, but this was just bad. Thankfully, it was just the day also. Still don't have the trading days on my PA account, but this is. Also, the adding game just doesn't work for me. Like once again, proved today. Like, even though I thought like when I can only. Yeah, danke. When I can only add to winners, it works, but it doesn't. Okay. So, anyways, that's it for me. Like, stay tuned, everybody. Okay, see you guys tomorrow in the live stream again, and yeah, later in Discord or anything. Ciao.